Hi, Zach here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. Wanted to take you through a beautiful boat today. This here is the Cobalt CS 23, an absolute value pack 23-foot boat. Inside and out, this boat is certainly going to impress. We have it matched with a Cobalt custom heritage trailer. You'll notice on the outside of the boat here, this one's got the beautiful navy hull, that stainless steel rub rail, beautiful stainless steel windshield frame, a very classy looking boat with a lot of cool features. So let's go take a look. The inside of the Cobalt's absolutely impressive, but we got to start right here on the swim platform with their patented flip down swim step, the extended swim platform, all the beautiful decking in the boat, huge Sunpad along with the transom trunk, oversized stainless steel cleats, you got fender clips on the outside of the boat, and even a spot on the back corner for the Cobalt's leg. The integrated flip up Sunpad is absolutely incredible, a great place to lay out and catch the rays or just play with the kids on the back of the boat. The walk-through transom is definitely something to keep an eye on. It's very nice and big, it's wide, very easy to board, and gets you right inside that nice big cockpit area. A full 8'6" beam on this boat, and it really shows when you're inside. From an entertainment standpoint, the flip-flop seating, the backrest of the passenger seat can flip forward to give you this nice big wrap around L-shaped seat. The captain seat can flip, and there's also a chase lounge or a lounge seat there. The transom can be filled in as well. We do have filler cushions that can fill that whole area in. Work our way to the inside of the boat a little bit more. If you flip the backrest backwards, you got beautiful, wide and deep forward-facing seating. Notice all the wraparound combings all around this boat, along with the detail work. There is something to be said about Cobalt's fit, finish, and attention to detail when it comes to their interior and their upholstery work. Work our way over here to the helm seat. You can see the nice flip-up bolster. It's a very big, large, comfortable seat. Take a look at the helm while we're over here, and it is absolutely sporty. It's simple, it's crisp, it's clean. 3-spoke wheel. You can see the digitals right in the dash there. That's going to give you all the engine vitals along with your depth. Stereo controls close by. Easy to use switches on the other side. Just a sharp looking setup. And even look at the fine details like the custom stitch work across the top of the dash. That looks so nice. Put that along with that stainless steel windshield frame. And speaking of the windshield, look at how they designed this, nice and squared off. That adds interior volume to the boat. It really opens it up. When you curve the windshield, it takes away from some of that interior space. Over here on the other side, you've got easy to use storage right up on top. There's also your 12-volt and USB plug-ins right inside there. Again, the same nice stitch work up on the top of the dash, and then you have a glove box as well. Kind of a nice feature inside the glove box, it's actually lit, so you got a light in there, kind of lights it up. And down underneath you have a lot of cup holders. You'll notice that they keep them out of the wind and they keep them low to the center of gravity with the boat. You'll notice the same thing in the back. The cup holders are out of the wind and just out of the way. The driver, the same way. The cup holder is low to the ground and out of the wind. Work our way to the bow of the boat. This is where I think the Cobalt CS23 here really comes to life. Look at the finish work. Look at all the padding, the big stainless grab rails, how deep and how wide the seats are. This bow section is much deeper and wider than many 24 or even 25-foot boats on the market. You look at the nice contouring of the seats. They're very comfortable. Again, cup holders are down low and out of the wind. And what's really cool about the front is how they set this up for all the beautiful storage space. All the storage, like I said, in the front is remarkable. The backrest both flip up. You have these huge storage areas along with under the seats and the very front of the boat. Just a ton of very easy to access storage in this Cobalt. Another very nice feature in the bow of this boat is the anchor locker held up with a nice stainless hardware. It's nice and deep and padded. Great place to store your anchor. The storage in the boat is very impressive. Under the back seat, you can see I got the Bimini top hardware, fire extinguisher. Over here to the port side, there's another nice deep storage area. And off to the starboard side, there's a cooler. Simply flip up the jump seat and you've got a nice insulated cooler, fully drainable. So I can talk all day about the fit, finish, quality, and attention to detail in a Cobalt. There are a lot of little things you look at in a Cobalt, like just right down to how they fasten their windshields shut, to the point where you can cruise down the lake or the river and the windshields are not going to rattle. You look at their hardware when it comes to their bimini tops, they are simply the stiffest bimini tops that you're going to find. They do not rattle. They are fully stainless everywhere. They even have additional support bars that go from the bimini in this area up to that area to really make it even more firm. So one area in a boat we tend to overlook and oversee, especially in new boats, is their motor access and engine compartment space. Cobalt hits the home run. This is incredible. The entire back of the boat lifts up on 2 struts, stainless steel hardware, fully composite, fully insulated, and a huge motor compartment. Storage on both sides, batteries are easy to get to. This particular boat we got powered with the 280 horse Volvo, the 4.3 aluminum block, aluminum head, aluminum manifold motor, all closed cooling. Absolutely awesome. You pair that with the Volvo dual prop and you have a beautiful performing boat. Overall, the Cobalt CS23 is certainly one to see to believe. It is a value-packed boat with a lot of great features. The Cobalt heritage, along with the fact that they love to be the smoothest, quietest, driest riding boat in the industry, and the Cobalt CS23 is no exception. The ride quality, the overall quality, all adds up to a great value. Again, I'm Zach here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. Would love the opportunity to talk to you more on the Cobalt CS23.